Look at this, look at this. And I know what it is already. Because we ordered it almost 2 weeks ago and I got this. And there we go. And landmarks. Okay, Cassandra. Uh-oh. See, can't wait to see what it is. And it's reference to one of the Evil Pencils Tangled Adventures episodes. Down. Down.
Down, puppy.
And that's Lily full of bulbs. I'm hinting what it is. Is it a painting of them as bulbs? Or is it something else? Well, I don't know. But I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I thought I was anyway. Dang, this is gonna take me 1,000 years to get through that thing. We know how I said about my videos was funny? Well, about my funny moment, I feel like this is gonna take 10,000 years. This is gonna take 10. Oh wait, I got one? I got one! Cassandra! Free candies! Cool! Oh, no! Oh, wow, I'll show you later what I got. Wow.
Great pyramids.
Wow, wow, wow. Now for the first one. Now this is going to take a little bit longer because, yeah. Now there's going to be a part 2.